Kumusta, my dear students? Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to dive into a quick and easy way to find the area of a sector of a circle. Whether you're tackling homework, prepping for exams, or having an advanced study about circles, I'll break it down step by step so you can master this concept in no time. So, let's get started! What do we mean by a sector? So if we say sector, it is the portion of a circle that looks like a slice of a pizza. Sarap. Or slice of a pie. So theoretically, kapag sinabi nating sector, it is a region contained by two radii and an arc. So if we are going to illustrate that definition, so yung sector natin is yung region kung saan bounded by these two radii and arc AB. So, yung radius AP, radius BP, at saka yung arc AB na yan, ang tawag natin dito sa region na ito, ang tawag po natin dyan ay sector. Ngayon, papaano natin makukuha yung area of a sector of a circle? So, sabi natin kanina, a sector is a fractional part of the area of a circle. So, ibig sabihin, yung fractional part na yon of the circle's area that sector occupies can be calculated as theta over 360. So, ano yung theta? Kapag sinabi nating theta, that is the angle formed by the two radii at the center, which is often called as the central angle. So we have here the central angle ABC, and that is our theta. So ibig sabihin, yung area of a sector depends on the measure of the central angle. Next is we are going to multiply yung fraction na yon, ito, yung nakuha natin, into the area of a circle. Paano naman kukunin yung area ng circle? That is equal to pi r squared. So, ibig sabihin, para makuha natin yung area of a sector is we are going to multiply, get the product of theta over 360 times the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. Where yung A natin dyan is the area of the sector. The theta is the angle of the sector in degrees, or that is the measure of the central angle. And then, R is the radius of the circle. Let's have our first example. Find the area of the sector of the circle with a radius of 5 centimeters and the central angle of the sector is 90 degrees. So, kapag i-illustrate natin yung problem, okay, yung kanyang radius ay 5 centimeters and the central angle of the sector is 90 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, yung sector na ito ang hinahanapan ng area. So, papaano natin kukunin yung area ng sector na ito? So, we are going to use the formula, which is theta divided by 360 times pi r squared. So, yung theta natin dito, that is the measure of the central angle, which is 90, and yung r, that is 5 centimeters. Okay, so that's the formula. So, yung theta natin is 90, sinubstitute na natin. And then, yung r natin, the radius is 5 centimeters. Ngayon, 5 centimeters squared, ibig sabihin, 2 times natin na imumultiply si 5 centimeters sa kanyang sarili. So, 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters, that is equal to 25 square centimeters. And yung 90 divided by 360, that is 1/4. So, nilowest term natin yung 90 divided by 360. So, that is 1/4. Now, pi times 25 square centimeters, that is equal to 25 pi square centimeters. So, multiply it to 1/4 and the answer is 25 pi square centimeters all over 4. Ngayon, pwede rin kasi na halimbawa sa exam, wala yung pamimilian na may pi. So, ibig sabihin, minultiply yung value ni pi doon sa mga values na nasa computed area. So, kapag ganon, we are going to multiply 25 by 3.14. So, yung value ni pi na gagamitin natin is 3.14. So, basically, yun yung ginagamit na value ni pi for basic calculations and educational purposes. So, we have 25 times 3.14 square centimeter divided by 4, that gives the value 19.63 square centimeter. So, ibig sabihin, yung area ng sector is 19.63 square centimeters. Let's have our second example. The radius of circle B is 10 centimeters. If the measure of arc AC equals 60 degrees, what is the area of the sector ABC? So, for us to better understand this problem is let us illustrate. So, makakatulong kasi yung illustration para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ba yung tinatanong, kung ano ba yung nasa problem. Okay, so we have here circle B and yung kanyang radius measures 10 centimeters. And one of the given is the measure of arc AC, which is equal to 60 degrees. Ngayon, ang kailangan natin ay yung measure ng central angle ABC. So, kapag i-recall natin yung central angle intercepted arc postulate, ang sinasabi niya, yung measure ng central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. So, ito, yung central angle natin, sa angle ABC, ang kanyang intercepted arc ay si arc AC. Now, the measure of arc AC, yun yung given, and that's equal to 60 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, yung measure din ni angle ABC is also 60 degrees. So, yun yung kailangan natin sa formula. Okay, ngayon, yung formula natin is theta over 360 times pi r squared. So, our theta is 60 degrees and our radius is 10 centimeters. So, 60 degrees divided by 360, that is equal to 1/6. So, nilawas term siya. And 10 square, yes, 10 squared, 10 centimeters squared. Ibig sabihin, dalawang beses imumultiply si 10 centimeters sa kanyang sarili, and the answer is 100 square centimeters times pi, and the answer is 100 pi square centimeters. So, kapag kinuha natin yung product ng dalawang quantity na ito, the answer is 100 pi over 6 square centimeters. Or, 100 times 3.14, that is the value of pi, divided by 6, that gives the value 52.33 square centimeters. So, the area of this sector ABC is equal to 52.33 square centimeters. At bago tayo magtapos, hugot muna tayo. So, meron akong inihandang hugot para sa inyo. Ang pagmahal mo ay parang area ng sector. Woo! Kahit isang bahagi ka lang sa buhay ko, napakalaki pa rin ng epekto mo. So, sana ay maalala ninyo ang sector, ang area ng sector through this pick-up line. So, hanggang dyan na lang muna. Maraming salamat sa panonood.